By now, I believe you have downloaded and installed the MetaTrader on your smartphone. If you are yet to get that done, please kindly refer to the description of this video to see how you can get that done. This is the first view of the MetaTrader whenever you open the software for the first time on your smartphone. To be able to log in into the MetaTrader on your smartphone, you need a demo or live trading account. What is a demo account? A demo account is a practicing account. It's an account whereby you practice before you get into real live trading environment. Why the live trading account is a trading account whereby things are real. You deposit real money right here. When you make money right here, it's real. When you make losses right here, it's real. Unlike the demo account, when you trade on the demo account, all the profit and losses you make right there, they are not real. They are just for practicing purposes. So you need a demo or live trading account to be able to log in into the MetaTrader. And how can you get a demo or live trading account? You need to be registered and verified with a brokerage firm. If you are yet to create a live or demo account, kindly refer to the link I left in the description of this video to check out my recommendation of brokerage firm. So on the interface, click on the icon right there beside the quotes. Once you click on the icon, on the next page, you will see get started, log into existing account or open demo account. So I believe you have created a demo or live trading account. Okay, so just click on get started. On the new page, navigate to the right hand side of the screen and click on the plus icon to add or log in into your demo or live trading account. Next, on the newly open page, input the name of your brokerage firm. In this tutorial, I will make use of the HF Market. This is my recommended brokerage firm for beginners, traders in the financial market. Using my promo link will give you an opportunity to have a 100% welcoming bonus on your first deposit. Check the link in the description of this video. Once you input the name of your brokerage firm, make sure you select the correct server. In this case, HF Market server for my created demo account, which I will use in this tutorial, is HF Market XV Limited. So let's select. And then on the newly open page, you'll see log into an existing account. So right here, you can log in into your live or demo trading account. You input your login, your password. Automatically, your server ID would have been selected right here. But right here, you can still change it if you wish to sign into your live trading account or your demo trading account. And then you can allow the app to save your password for future login, so you don't have to repeat these steps. Automatically, you can just easily log in if you click on save password. Also take note, in this tutorial, I am using the MetaTrader 5. So make sure you only try to log into MetaTrader 5 software with password issued for MetaTrader 5 from your brokerage firm. Likewise, if you are using MetaTrader 4, only try to log in into MetaTrader 4 software with password and login details issued for MetaTrader 4, which means you cannot use login details created for MetaTrader 4 account to log in into the MetaTrader 5 account. The same, you cannot use login details created for MetaTrader 5 trading accounts to log in into MetaTrader 4 trading accounts. They do not work together. Okay, so if you use MetaTrader 4 login details on this MetaTrader 5, which I'm using in this tutorial, it won't work out. You get error, invalid password, or error in connection. Okay, these login details will be issued to you through your email, and this could also be present on your official website brokerage firm. Once you register with your brokerage firm, you have a profile account on your brokerage firm official website, so you can access your profile account and they'll copy this login and password details and then log in into your trading account. Alternatively, your brokerage firm could send these login details to your email. In fact, they usually send it to your email. In this tutorial, I am copying my login and password details from my email. So just input that and make sure you copy it to avoid mistakes. Once you are done, just click on login. You can see right now my account has been logged in successfully. So if you follow these steps guide, you will be automatically logged in once your login details are correct. So this is how you can log in into your MetaTrader account on your smartphone and start trading. So in the next tutorial, I will share with you how you can execute your first trade setup on the MetaTrader on your smartphone. Have any question or suggestion? Drop your comment and suggestion through the comment box. Are you a beginner trader or struggling trader in the market? Looking for a way to improve your trading career to become a consistent and profitable trader? Join my bi-weekly webinar through the link in the description of this video and amplify your trading success.